to give you an example, yesterday, saw this thing, there was an opportunity. Okay, there's a short paper that's submitted, needs submitting by midday, and it's a wonderful opportunity. Started it in the morning because I had the confidence of using this platform now. Went in straight away. First thing I did, created a project page for this short paper, went to the actual call for the short paper, saved that as a resource under that project, started going through all the references, opened a new tab, library.auckland.ac.nz, got the full text of all the references that were relevant to what I was doing that they had mentioned in their call. As I was saving those as resources, in another window, Zotero, got this full citation, used the full citation as the title for that resource straight away, downloaded the PDF, added it into that resource straight away, copied and pasted the abstract into the resource page straight away. And before I closed that tab to move on to the next citation and to open it up, wrote a few sentences about what this is about, and then closed it, and then forgot about it, moved on to the next citation in the call. By the time I'd gone through the call, I had all these resources there, and I had written something about each one in my own words, how that relates to my project. And then all I did was go back into the project page for that call, started going through all the resources again, and looked at just the bit that I had written, copied it, clicked out, pasted it into the project page, did that with each one. But this time I also brought in the in-text citation from Zotero. And then I thought, okay, now I have all this other writing that I've been doing in all these other chapters. So just opened them up, bang, 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 5 chapters, skimmed through, saw which part was relevant to this call, copied and pasted it into that page, and then just thought, okay, well, this needs to go here, this needs to go here, this needs to go here, resequenced it, popped it out by 11:59 a.m. In the past, I had this call come to me in this kind of a way. It would have kind of paralyzed me first, and then sent me into guilt mode, and then just drained a lot of the energy that I have for other things in my life. I think the benefits have been far-reaching. It's not just about the writing. It's not just about the PhD, although that's the immediate kind of application for me. But it's also about then having energy and having time and having the space in my mind to then do all of these other things in life, which makes it all worthwhile.